Okay, we're going to begin the graduated layers. We start with a profile part from forehead to nape. Then we're going to create a horseshoe part right on the parietal ridge. Ensure these are both even, side to side. Okay. In the back, when we have our profile part, we're going to take diagonal forward sections on each side and travel through each section. But to get our first guide, we're going to take the first diagonal forward on each side and pull it to the center profile part to create our first guide. So this will determine the length of the hair. When we begin cutting, we're going to cut from the top down. We're comb the hair 90 to the head shape, and we're going to cut it slightly decreasing in length. So if you measure this top piece and measure the bottom piece will be shorter, like a ½ inch or an inch. And you can see the slightly decreasing in length. So splitting that back down at the profile part, and then we have a guide on each side.
So is that kind of like on the back of my, oh my God.
So I'm going to travel. Pull it straight out from the head, from where the hair grows, and cut it to your guide. Take half of that, and we're going to work our way forward. If you comb it from the back side, you will ensure that you're straight out on top of the section. Your hands need to come from the underside with fingertips pointing upward if you're right-handed. Take a ½ inch of what you have cut, bring it to the next ½ inch. Your sections, remember, are diagonal forward. We're not doing anything pivoting here. If it's easier for you to cut palm to palm, you can. And as you start going up, you're going to see a curvature into this. It's going to take the shape of the hairline. Don't be scared you're cutting a hole, because that's the way this final haircut will look. Take ½ inch, continue forward. And normally I would be standing pretty much behind my mannequin cutting this. So if I'm cutting this section, I would kind of be right here. I would start in the back, and as I travel around the head, stop.